So I've been lying about my T-Rexes, accidentally. I have 3, 6, 9, 12, 13, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30,
First Aid Fury!
36, 39, 42, 45, 46 with Kenji, 47 with Chuck, and 48 with Marty. So, yeah, I'll get the update. It's just gonna look weird on the playlist. Really sorry that it's kind of outdated, but yeah, with that, enjoy the video. Low key could go for like Eve. Imagine monkey on sock. Oh. Oh yeah. Ooh, ah. I'm too tired. Oh. What am I doing? I knew he was there. Bro might be engine. Nice. Chad, I don't think we're gonna win this. Holy monkey. I can't hit a shot. I'll get yanked. I can make ball. You ain't scared no one. Oh, he's on that. Ew, why are you on that gadget? Ew. You use it like once or twice a game. And the other one's like a lot more spammy. If he shoots mid, if he shoots mid, yeah, I don't know what he's doing. Wait, what? Did you get canceled? Oh, shoot. It's fine, we feed it. I should just fed freaking Greg because he had shit already fed. Oh my god, can this Manny like actually pop the super, please? Holy Hank. This Hank's a bit special. Wait, is he dead? He is dead. Oh my god. Monkey, no! Holy monkey. Holy bro might be engine. We did with a random too, also it's even more funny. I have no clue where Lily and Edgar are at. Oh, someone's up there. Oh, hi. Hello, how we doing? You'd even attack me with a bone. Oh yeah? Where is Edgar going? Elise Bodenbush. Yep, I knew it. So I have crazy game sense. Don't feel. Oh, I don't know why I placed that there. Segway. I'm pretty sure we don't feed her. Just like, yeah, that works. Uh-oh, that's not good. I have no clue what I'm doing. Holy whiff. Our take was non-existent, but it does not matter. Oh. Oh, they're both mid. Interesting. Holy monkey, bro. Oh, shoot. I might be dead. Unless if I, like, dodge the hyper super. Yeah, I have hyper though, so... Hustle. Fine. She was... oh my god. Cheese round and I did not pay attention. I was looking at chat. Can our ticket, like, actually play the game? Uh-oh. She just used RAM, so... what? She got back that fast? Oh yeah, he's dead. Jump? Oh my god, that's literally so bad. Then Edgar's, like, right there. Monkey whack! That's the tier max. Holy monkey, bro. That was on the dot, too. Yo. W monkey gameplay. Alright, who's next? I have Tick. Sure. Play, I know. That's why we win. This brawler is so boring. Whoever mains this brawler that isn't named now, like, actually needs to delete the game. Just spam shots and hope and pray. Oh, he's not dead. Holy Carl. Oh my god. That wasn't scary at all. Guys? Guys? I forgot about Edgar Shield. It's all chill. Just assuming our Carl, like, actually knows how to play the game. So I can play aggressive because I have head. That sounds so wrong. Is our Carl a bot? No. Surely. No, he's not. There's an Edgar right there, yeah. Spam all the buttons. Spam all the buttons. Okay, you're dead. I'll just tank it and then, like, hope and pray. Oh, okay, yeah, just heal. Yo, hello, Melted. How we doing? Oh my god, you could have died there. Call? It might be a little late to call, but if we make it quiet, sure. It's 9:40 at night. My parents did not like it when I call people late at night, even though my sister's on call with her friends till like 11 o'clock at night. Okay, I do get the ticket. Please live. Oh, I'm dead. How do I live? Our Carl, like, needs to do crap. This is very skilled gameplay. Oh, he's got to roll again. Okay. Carl needs to kill the tick. By the way, if I ever get this roller's mastery towel, I'm never playing this roller. Oh, I'm good. Unless, hold up. Tactical movement. Wait, I can just pop that and it's game over. Yay! I am charging. All good. Checking, make sure my iPod is actually charging. I just gave up. Oh wait, Frank, he's won. Take that, just take that. Nice. Oh shoot.
Why did you guys go down?
I completely forgot she had hyper super. Or not hyper super. I'm gonna die. Oh, he still did. Nice. I walked into it also. Okay, tap on the tank.
Walked into those mines. Oh, thank God.
Laser Connor. Boom. My timbers have been shivered. Oh wait, that's a real one. What? Shirley, right? Nice. Manya dela mon. He's letting you get your super. Do not die. Oh my god, bro. In my defense, I died to my counter, so. Is that? Okay, that's really him. I don't know what he's doing. Yeah, run, boy, run. Run, little Johnny, run. That gives me half my super. Oh, okay, good, nice. That's the tier max ticking.
Also, that's up 100 above tier max.